TobyGames highlights.
Oh, look at you. Oh, he's working. He's busy. I probably shouldn't bug him. Hey, is that a girl? That's a nice fit. That's a guy. That is definitely a guy. Haircut looks kind of like a wow, dude. He's probably into children. Is that bad for me to say right next to him? Hey, can you hear me? Hey.
Morning.
Morning, TobyGames. How's life? Did you manage to get him a wink of sleep tonight? Figured you might have been tossing and turning all night, thinking about the big ceremony today. Well, what am I doing? Oh, I'm just fixing this gate here. It's been squeaky lately, and we're having to put an arm on the bucket. Hey, you haven't already forgotten to send your prayers to Goddess this morning, have you? Just face the bird statue over there, say a short prayer to save your progress, okay? As you know, these bird statues are all over Skylife. It's about time we get in the habit of stopping a statue every time we burn by one. Blah, 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 blah. See you tonight. Holy mother. What was that last part you said? What was that last part you said? Okay.